Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. Today I am at the São Bento metro station where I will be showing you how to use the metro. In Porto, the metro is the easiest and quickest way to get around. With 6 different lines that can take you to almost anywhere in the city, the metro is sure to help get you to your desired destination. By taking the metro, you will get to see all of Porto's famous must-see attractions. Let's check it out! The metro operates every day from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m., including weekends. It has 6 lines which are known by letters and colors. Line A is the blue line, Line B is the red line, Line C is the green line, Line D is the yellow line, Line E is the purple line, and Line F is the orange line. Now I'm going to show you how you can buy a ticket. To buy a ticket, first select the comprar option, which is the Portuguese word for purchase. Press the 4th button on the right-hand side. Next, you will have 2 tickets to choose from. The option I chose is the regular one-way ticket. After that, you have to choose which zone you want. I chose the second zone, Z2. Z2 permits you to travel 1 hour without having to recharge, and you can travel within that zone as well as any neighboring zones. You will then choose how many trips you wish to make. Here, I chose the option for just 1 trip. And as you can see, I am pressing the 3rd button on the left-hand side. Afterwards, you will have to decide whether or not you want your taxpayer number on your receipt. I chose to not have it and pressed the 4th button on the left-hand side. On the screen, the price of your ticket will appear, and you can deposit your coins into the slot placed there. There's also an option to pay with a credit card. In a slot below the screen, you will be given your card and receipt. And that is how you buy a metro ticket. Follow me downstairs as we'll wait for the metro. Usual waiting time in between metros is around 3 to 10 minutes, although it can be longer on certain occasions such as holidays or even when traveling to the airport. There's a clock here which tells you how many minutes are left until the next metro arrives. Here's our metro. Let's get on! We're at the Trindade metro station, which is the main stop along all 6 lines. Trindade is such a popular metro station because it's right in the city center. It connects to all 6 lines, and you have other methods of transportation here, such as the bus and taxi. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our office is located here in Porto, Portugal, at the address which will appear on your screen. We'll see you soon.